all our medical and paramedical staff who are supporting the great time and great energy enthusiasm to make the human well-being achieve the great things during these COVID-19 challenges. And when Dr. Halima approached me to ask whether we can coordinate this particular session, I am very wholeheartedly, very happily I accept it because I am also part and part as a paramedical support, as Dr. Gibos already mentioned. We were working together in Taiwan, uh, Taipei Veterans General Hospital. When he was a cardiologist, I was a stem cell researcher. So we worked together in a team. That's the way our relationship and friendship established for 10 years back. And I'm also having the great vision and mission for the biomedical researchers, the scientists who can able to support a lot for the medical field because the clinicians are all busy with their routine clinical practice. They can't able to spend the great time for the research and development. But when the paramedical force, scientists, nurses, and other supporting groups, they can work together. Really, we can make more values for the community. Today, I am going to talk something, but it is not entirely relating to medical field, but it is a kind of business ecosystem, how it is getting affected by the COVID-19. It is making a point of COVID-19 induced winners and losers. So it's a kind of small sharing about my understanding as well as my reflections about the happenings so far. COVID-19 induced winners and losers. That is the topic I am going to share. Myself, Dr. B. Ramanathan, I am the founder and managing director of ACE International Private Limited. ACE, the acronym defines Aspire Community Excellence. So that is the way we have to look for the excellence. And we now the time is globalized scenario, globalization, because he mentioned in his talk, good morning to Canada, good afternoon to France, and good evening to Asia. The same way, we are all in the streamline of online digital source, which is connecting us to go ahead. So the COVID-19 is making the lethal not only the human, also the business everywhere. And we are circumferenced with a lot of difficulties to overlook with that. Slowly the things are getting answered now because of the crucial research and the ideology emerged. The vaccination is going on everywhere. And how do we able to understand about this COVID-19? It was being with us for many years, but this particular mutant is very strong and it is affecting um, everywhere. It is not the regional specific, it is not the climatic specific, it is not the hygienic practices specific, it is infecting and it is affecting the whole population all over the world. So it is broadly spoken that many business affected due to the human well-being is affected. So the condition of business categories also affected. And it is formulated three categories mainly. The winners, the sectors that are getting still the benefit. The losers, the sectors that still they are suffering a lot, could not able to recover or rejuvenate very well. And the in-betweeners, somebody who are in the sandwich line, who could not able to make themselves position in the loser or winner. So still they are in the buffering areas. So we can able to go with the winners. How do we able to engage the categories or the strategies? How do they able to circumference with the surroundings? The conditions they are having is more competitive, it's more competency based, and they evolve in an aggressive manner and find out the opportunities how to procure the source and resource, especially in the digital environment or the support from the scientific environment. So they are doing a great, and e-commerce platform still it is working, though it is the safe distancing. Many shops, many transportations are uh, closed, but still the e-commerce platform is very vibrantly working. Like that, the pharmaceutical companies, especially the R&D department, are crucially working. Frontliners working in the hospitals, they are the true warriors. They are fighting for the conditions as of now. The situation, even it is worst, they are coming in front and they are taking the responsible jobs and roles to reflect their commitment, contributions for the society to recover them. Many pharmaceutical like Gilead, the Remdesivir drug is providing the support for certain people. Pfizer and Moderna are creating the vaccine, and many more companies are looking for the opportunity to penetrate into these particular invention innovations. And the supply chains and logistics, it is globally delivering the goods, products or materials. So it is also a great support for the people who can able to contribute the great things, and they can sustain the global environment to function without any hurdles or barriers. The same way, the online platform, they are supporting a lot like Zoom network or Skype or any other webinars hosting Google Meet or Microsoft Team. There are many more platforms are really supporting a wonderful thing for the community who can able to still be active and able to share and communicate well all over the world. So that is the great thing we have to thank for that. And the entertainment, even the work from home and doing the less entertainment to engage for the community, still the online sources like Netflix, YouTube channels, Prime Videos or any other online sources, they are greatly supporting the people, otherwise the people may get psychologically weak or illness. So these are all the things compensate something for their physical movement. It may be arrested to travel outside or going anywhere in the country or regionally, or any kind of specific vacation, vacation kind of thing. But these are all the things still making them to be active and keep the entertainment for them. And social media apps like many more Facebook, LinkedIn, or online learning courses, MOOC, massive online open courses. These are all the things are greatly supporting for the people who want to learn and explore. And many more schools, and they are providing the online classes. How do they able to keep the curricular learning? It is mostly supporting for their requirements to finish the learning plans or learning lessons. The losers. Who are the losers? Mostly the physical engaging platforms, especially for the airlines, trains, buses, cruise ships, the travel and tourism supporting companies, or the countries who are really depending on the tourists. They are all severely affected because of the lockdown situation. It is not yet opened very finely. So it is also giving a negative feeling, and it is still not yet resolved very well. And the oil and gas sectors, because you could be able to understand the flight service stopped and the other automobiles and other things also not segregated to the requirements. So definitely it is also influencing a lot for the oil and gas for, companies who are getting the negative results during this COVID time. And the banking sectors, because they are scaring about to invest the new plans or new projects, anything come, they are afraid because of still the resilience are not coming back to the normal condition before COVID. So there's still the investment from the banking and all stop, and they're not willing to invest in a huge manner. Traditional retail shops, many countries they close the shopping malls and other places, warehouses. They can't able to do the normal functions, or they are losing their merit of doing the great things before COVID time. During this COVID-19 induced challenges are affecting severely for them. And the professionals who are engaging for the sports and entertainment activities completely gone because there is no sports activity going on. Games, Asiatic Games, Olympic Games, and other regional games are stopped because of the conditions. Recently, there are certain way they are taking the control measurements and they are making the possible ways to run certain games. The in-betweeners, the sandwich people, the buffering community, especially the banking, still they are supporting for the individuals and business people in a limited manner for their routine business should not getting affected. So they are doing the great things for them. And the healthcare sectors, I have already mentioned, without these frontliners, we cannot able to sustain very well. I have to appreciate, I have to thank and congratulate these frontliners who are taking the responsibility all over the world to support the health and wellness of great human communities. And the manufacturing sectors who are producing the necessary accessories, like Gibos he mentioned, he supplied the mask for the community like that. Millions of people they are requiring this kind of mask for their usage to safe distancing as well as prevent with the communicable disease pattern. So it is all supporting a lot. These kind of accessories, consumables are very much demanded as of now due to the conditions of the therapies or any mitigation in the hospital atmospheres. We have to thank for those kind of manufacturers who are still working hard to produce the products without stopping the need of the society. And education, we have to thank the schools and higher learning institutions. Still, they are continuing their lessons for the students' sake, how to prepare them for bringing in online. There are a lot of people working hard, not only with the backhold supporters, also the teachers, because they change the curriculum from offline to online. The government has spent a lot about creating the online platform for the people. So how do we able to think about these guidelines during the COVID-19 storm conditions? We have to make ourselves more strong visibility. Even the business ecosystem is not very good. We need to think for the better relationship to tie up with the collaborators or customers and clients who can able to value add for our services. And the trustworth building is very, very important. If you don't have the faith and confidence on the people who are making the real hard work or real support for the needy people, we need to build the trustworth and appreciate their contributions for the society. The online platform is the new era. So we need to think about how to use this online platform for the betterment for the community as well as society to conduct these kind of programs, arranging with the networking to introduce many plans or people who can able to align together with the concepts or conditions. Effective and stronger communication. Still, we are connecting and communicating. Otherwise, people are getting mad. So really, we have to appreciate the communication systems are very well established and supporting contributions and donations because, like Kibos, he appealed for the community. How do you reflect? Because they are requiring a lot from the society to contribute. Without one hand, we cannot make the claps. So we have to join together our hands and making the vibrant clapping to sound for the human community to become very well. And the special care plans because we need to make the conditions for the needy people. We have to keep inclusive society. How do we able to strongly support for their needs and requirements. And the team is very, very important. Team building is the good concepts. We need to formulate a team which are going to make the contributions very well and support us, support the community very well. Being united in the community is very important, not with the racial or religious or any kind of other segments. And we need to keep our mindset to unite because we are all human and we are having the human values to support for the humanity. So we have to find out the new trends of business ecosystem. How do we able to circumpass with these hurdles and barriers? These are all the things are creating new digital formations or solutions. We need to update ourselves how to keep the well-being for us. As per the conclusion, yes, I want to share the little bit understanding. We have to focus for the beyond corona virus situation. There are many people still they are struggling how to rescue from these ill effects or sick effects. So we have to keep our hands united to support strongly for their needs, safeguarding our lives with the livelihoods. We need to worship the human life is very precious, and we have to contribute better for the society and community who can able to do a greater job for the needy people. And new trend sets are in front of us. We need to think for the new normal conditions. How do we empower the community with our mindsets as well as the conditions as of now? And global compliance regulations are drastically changing. Safety, security, as well as hygienic practices are newly formed, and we have to accept and we have to encourage the people who can able to go through these cultural changes. More new policies are evolved by the WHO and other regional community or the government side. So we need to accept and adopt that. And the government is implementing a lot, and they are creating the vaccination program. I appeal everyone to strongly accept this vaccination tomorrow. The vaccinated people are only can able to sustain because as per the Darwin's theory, natural selection, struggle for existence, survival of the fittest, and use and disuse theory. These are all the new revolution for the people who, the human community to overcome this COVID-19 to make succeeding in their life. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I welcome all your support to the great hearted manner for the world to create the new normal life for us. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ram, and especially for your advice that we have to go for the vaccine, and that's why I have scheduled my vaccine on Saturday. So I will be vaccinated, and everybody has to think about it, because now it's as important as polio drops and other things. Now I'm going to invite
Thank you.
our chief guest for this day, Dr. Ahmad Abdul Hai Sahab, who need not any intro, who doesn't need any introduction for Indians, because I think internationally he is acclaimed surgeon. And if I'm going to speak about him, you know, the time duration is short for his introduction. But anyway, a few things I'm going to just speak about him, that he is the managing director. Just a minute.